Hey, this is Galmida from Console Data and Research Center. Welcome back and thank you for tuning in. Now let's keep on working on our assignment. In the part 3 of this working, this is the part 4 of the working. In the part 3, I promised you how to make this spreadsheet to look more beautiful and even more educative and more informative by saying, for example, for English, we have 65 marks and B as a grade. So I want to join these marks and this grade for that, so that we are not going to have many unimportant columns and maybe make it easier for reading. But before we do that, make sure that before you join the marks and the grade, you have done all your calculations that you want to do, because once you join the marks and the grade, that is a number and a string, then your value will turn automatically to be a string, and it will be difficult for you to do more analysis on your data. So let's go and see what I have here. I have at number 8, if pass mark is 255 marks, comment either pass or fail accordingly for each student. So I want to do that. As most of you have written, let me call here comment. Okay, comment. So for comment, I want to comment. How do I comment? Is equal to, if pass mark is 255. If a student scored more than 255 or equals, that student has passed. But below 255, the student has failed. So what I want to do, I create a logical function that is using if a student, the total marks is greater or equals 255, kindly tell my student has passed. Okay, otherwise call the student, my student have failed. Okay, yeah, so and say enter. So my first student passed. Okay, you can copy down your formula. I have so many students who have passed and I have others who have failed. So we can continue working. That is the working that I wanted to do. So I have commented the part 9 of the question. Using the formula, count the number of males and females who passed. So let's do that. The number of males and females who passed. How many females passed? How many male passed? So we are going to use countif function. Number of females passed. How many female passed? That may be important to you if you work for some group of people who want to check how female students are doing. Maybe if the head teacher want to know about that, it might be a very important variable that you want to check. So equals count. Are we going to use count if or count ifs? We are testing two conditions. A student must be a male. A student must be a female. And another condition is that a student must have passed, so that we call them passed or failed. Okay? So count ifs. We have more than one condition. Criteria range will be this is criteria range 1, comma, criteria must be a female, closed, comma, criteria range 2 will be what? This comment, okay, comma, sorry, for the criteria ranges, you have to lock. So here, let's lock this, press F4, and then here again press F4, comma, sorry, yeah, so here, comma, criteria 2 will be passed, and then you close, and then you say enter. So 7 female student passed. How many number of males? Number of males who passed. So how do we calculate that? Is equal to count ifs tab criteria range. What is our criteria range? Criteria range 1 should be here, F4 to lock, comma, the name should be male, okay, comma, criteria range 2 should be the comment, F4, comma, must be passed, so we call it passed, okay, and you say enter. So we have 7 female students who passed and 6 male students who passed. So the next question is about calculate the summation of mathematics marks for male students who passed. We are going to check this in the coming part 5. So thank you for tuning in. Enjoy learning. Thank you.